Alright, 4th graders, so I have made my Tarzan words from the article. And now what I need to do is I need to group them together and make Jane Talk. So Jane Talk puts related keywords together to form sentences that retell what you read, and you keep related words together. So I've got some words like hotels, travel agencies, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have some space here, and you can see that I'm just going to start grouping them together. So I think travel agencies go together with hotels. I think health services does, and child care services. I think libraries might too. I think farming was a different category. Corn, I think, goes with farming, and soybeans. Sugar beets, hay, wheat, dairy. Iron ore doesn't go with any of these. I'm going to put this to the side. So you can see I've got 3 piles going. Vegetables would go in my farming pile. Canned fruits, I think, is kind of off by itself. Frozen foods, I think, goes with canned foods. Dairy products, I think, goes in my canned foods pile. Meat, I think, probably goes there too. Beef cattle would go in my farming. Hogs, dairy cattle, go there. So now what I need to do is I actually need to make these into sentences. So I'm going to look at hotels, travel agencies, health services, child care services, libraries. So I could say hotels, travel agencies, health services, child care services, and libraries are industries in Minnesota. So I'm done with those. Now I'm going to look at this pile. I'm only going to do one more for you. So I've got the meats, dairy products, frozen foods, canned fruits. I'm going to say, so all I've got are those canned fruits, meats, dairy products, frozen foods. So I could say canned fruits, dairy products, frozen foods, and meat are foods that are in industries in Minnesota. So you can see, and I won't do the other one just because it will take some time, but once you have it all done, then you can go back and reread your article to see how you did. So I'm going to look at just these two, just to make sure that I haven't used that article by mistake. So I see that it says the state produces meat and dairy products, frozen foods, and canned fruits and vegetables. So when I'm going back here and I'm looking at my sentence, I'm seeing that says are foods that are industries. I'm going to replace industries and say that are made in Minnesota. But notice what I wrote doesn't exactly copy what I read in the article. So that's the main thing with this Tarzan and Jane. So the Tarzan are those words that are like 1 or 2 phrases. And then these are Jane Talk, where it is full sentences. Jane talks in sentences.